welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Elizabeth Joy. You also may know me as Asia if you are not new to my channel. So today, I know I've been gone for a while. I've been trying to adjust to mom life, single mom life of two, and it's been very difficult, but I'm getting there. Just because I'm not posting does not mean I'm not recording. I'm still shooting content. I have a lot of glitter on my neck. Sorry, this is what happens when you have two girls. I am currently moving everything downstairs to the basement of our home. We finished the basement and this is currently where I'm going to be staying until, you know, I'll get on my feet and I can have a house of my own. So I've been trying to get this video out for so long. I've been so busy. I've been trying to get this basement finished and decorated so I can show you guys. Home decor is something that I'm starting to like dibble dabble in, and I realized that once I started doing this basement that I actually do have a passion for it. So once this company reached out to me and told me what they were doing, I was in awe because, let me first start off and tell you what they're doing. So the name of this company is called BirthCanvas, and their mission is to give 1 million meals to children in need. And when I tell you that that's amazing, you know, feed the children, you know, you used to see the feed the children commercials all the time. And growing up, I used to always get called feed the children because I was so skinny and I looked malnourished, but I wasn't. Trust me, my mama fed me like I ate more than my brother, you know. So when this company reached out to me, I was completely on board. I think that it's amazing what they're trying to do. So I have to go get Sophia. She's acting crazy upstairs. So for each canvas that's sold, they donate 10 meals to a child in need through the company HungerFund. So I'll put the link down below so you can read a little bit more information on the company HungerFund. So what they do is they have an artist that creates this beautiful piece of art. You can choose from a canvas wrap that's already on a wooden base and ready to hang as soon as it comes in the mail. Or you can choose the canvas paper poster. So it's still on that canvas material, but it's just not wrapped around the wooden base. So you would have to purchase a frame to go around it, and that's how I have mine. I have mine in a beautiful frame, and I feel like I was glad I had the choice to have it in a frame because it goes with my decor of my room. Not only can you choose from the canvas paper poster or the canvas wrap, you can also choose the design. They have two different designs, but they're both, it's like a mirror of each other. So there's a design where the baby's laying down, that's the one I have. And there's a design where the baby is kind of laying on its back. And I thought that one was cute, but I also just love the baby on its laying down and see the little bottom. So, and at the bottom, I think the coolest part is at the bottom, you can actually write down their information. Like you can write down their name, all their birth information, like the time they were born, their weight, the date they were born. And it's really small. It doesn't take away from the actual artwork. The artwork is a 1-to-1 scale of your baby. And I think that's just so cute when they were born. And so I'm gonna have the link in the description box below. And if you want to check it out, and if you guys are interested in purchasing one, there will be a discount code in the description below, so you can get 10% off. And why wouldn't you want to purchase a beautiful piece of art? And even if you're not a mom, you can purchase this for someone that you know that's a mom. You can purchase this for a baby shower gift. This would be a beautiful baby shower gift. Or even better, you know how they have like the sip and seeds, because sometimes babies are born a little bit earlier. You get all their birth information and you put it down at the bottom and you ship it to them, or you can give it to them at sip and see. I think that's a great gift as well. So this doesn't exclude anyone. You don't have to be a mom in order to purchase this for someone else. So I have mine hung in the perfect spot right above Sophia's bed. At first, my mom was a little worried that it may fall on her, but I have it up there nice and secure, and it just adds to my room so much. I think that it's a great piece of artwork to go right over her crib. So I know that you can have it in your playroom, but I think that it's just like baby. Baby in the crib, baby over the crib. It's just adorable. So if you want to check out the BirthCanvas, the link is in the description box below. And it's free shipping in the USA. So all of you guys that are in America, it will be free shipping to you. So you're getting a product for 10% off and you're getting free shipping. Like, that's awesome. You really can't put a price on artwork, especially if it's gonna feed children. So let's help these guys complete their mission of feeding 1 million kids. All right, guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you should subscribe, comment, share, definitely share this, guys. Share this so more people can find out about BirthCanvas and what they're doing. I'm going to link their Instagram down below. Sophia's talking her mouth off. I'm going to link their Instagram down below. She's laughing with Sarai. I'm going to link their Instagram down below. Keep saying that because they're interrupting me. And you should also follow my Instagram, alright guys? So thank you. I'll see you guys next time.